This is part 3 of me attempting to build a skilled and detailed Lamborghini Revuelto from cardboard.
In this video, I'm going to body fill the entire body panel of the Revuelto, test the doors, test the steering, test the rear wheel drive, and even add the exhaust pipe of the Revuelto. And all that is happening right here in Pelux Industries. So I'm going to start by body filling the existing body panels of the Revuelto. After hours of body filling the body panels, it's time to sand it down. After a very long hour of sanding it down, you are finally done. The body surface now feels smooth and stronger. So now that we've successfully body filled and sanded the Revuelto, it's time to add some extra detail to the Revuelto. Now that we have aligned the door, it is time to test if our servo will be able to lift the door and hold its position. With an Arduino Uno, I'm going to be running a test code for the servo. I believe the servo is strong enough to lift the door comfortably. Now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to do the same thing for the steering. Now that we have confirmed that both our steering and door servo are working perfectly, it's time to work on the exhaust of the Revuelto. Now I'm going to power the rear wheel drive motor to see how powerful and stable it is. But unfortunately, the rear wheel drive motor doesn't have enough torque to drive the Revuelto, which means I'm going to have to get a new high torque motor, But that's not going to directly affect the progress of the Revuelto. I'm going to continue detailing and building components of the Revuelto. Like Uncle Ben once said, with great power comes great responsibility. I think I now understand what he means by that. And this is the current progress of the Revuelto. There's still a lot of work to be done, like the panel gap, the interior, the headlights, the rear wheel drive, and a lot more other stuff to do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, any thought to make, you can put it under the comment section of this video. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next video, because it's going to be dropping pretty much soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wish for.